Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have here a chateau style 10-bedroom villa in Montego Bay, Jamaica for sale. A perfect combination of elegance and timelessness. This prestigious villa or house in Torada Heights captures the essence of living. Perfect investment income generating property. It features a rooftop terrace swimming pool, complete with a bar and barbecue, formal dining room with gourmet styled kitchen and service area, 6 rooms on the main house, and 4 studio on the eastern wings. Entertain family and friends in comfort and style, with outdoor amenities such as a barbecue, gazebo, fruit trees, water tanks, and expertly plumbed supply system, never out of water. The scenic view from the rooms, especially the master bedroom and the terrace pool, is just simply spectacular. Don't let this opportunity pass to own your piece of paradise. It is being sold as is, just 15 minutes from the airport and the beach, 5 minutes to the shopping mall and the restaurants. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this house is US 1.75 million or Jamaican $269.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.